Why is crypto down today? June 23, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, market. Without a clear de-escalation trigger, there will be more cautious positioning and subdued momentum in the month ahead, says Dr. Sean Dawson, head of research at Derive.xyz. Journalist, Seed Fadilpašić. Journalist, Seed Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 5 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto market is down today. 10 of the top 100 coins have seen increases over the past 24 hours. Moreover, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has decreased by 2.8% over the past day, now standing at $3.23 trillion, compared to Friday's $3.37 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $161 billion, back to the typical levels. TLDR. The crypto market has seen a notable drop over the weekend. BTC and ETH dropped around 1% over the past day each. At one point, BTC fell below the psychologically relevant $100,000 level. The probability of BTC ending 2025 above $200,000 has dropped to 3.5%. This is not over yet, analysts say. As market braces for instability, the market may experience additional hits. Crypto winners and losers. All the top 10 coins per market cap are down today. Bitcoin, BTC, fell by 0.7%, now trading at $101,924, nearing the psychologically relevant $100,000 mark. This is also the smallest decrease in this category. Also, Ethereum, ETH, fell by 1%, changing hands at $2,251. This is the category's second smallest drop. XRP saw the highest decrease in this category of 2.6% to the price of $2.02. Moreover, 10 of the top 100 coins saw their prices increase in the same period. The best performer is Story, IP, with the only double-digit increase of 11.6% to $3.06. At the same time, Filecoin, FIL, fell the most, followed by Toncoin, DON. They're down 3.9% and 3.8% to $2.12 and $2.75, respectively. Speaking of XRP, Bloomberg analysts recently placed the odds of an XRP spot ETF approval at 95%. Meanwhile, recent geopolitical shocks triggered immediate market reactions. Investors began moving into traditional safe haven assets like gold and the US dollar. This isn't over. Market braces for instability. Dr. Sean Dawson, head of research at decentralized on-chain options AI-powered platform, Derive.xyz, commented that the surge in short-term implied volatility, 4, confirms the market is bracing for more instability. Volatility markets are telling us this isn't over. Amid mounting geopolitical pressure, we're seeing classic risk-off behavior with falling prices, spiking volatility, and a pullback in upside positioning, Dawson says. At one point, BTC has pulled back from $104,300 to $100,300. At the same time, there was also a spike in short-term implied volatility by 10% to 45%. This happened as traders began pricing in fresh risk. Moreover, ETH plunged nearly 14% from $2,550 to $2,200, along with a 15-point jump in 7-day 4 to 83%. This reflects increased downside hedging and uncertainty, Dawson says. Ethereum's double-digit loss and volatility spike to 83% show just how fast risk can unravel when leverage is high, he adds. Without a clear de-escalation trigger, the company expects more cautious positioning and subdued momentum in the month ahead. The head of research notes. Dawson notes that the BTC options market is currently scaling back on optimism. The probability of BTC ending 2025 above $200,000 has dropped to 3.5%. The chance of it surpassing $150,000 in that same period fell to 11%. Bulls are losing conviction as geopolitical risk and macro headwinds overshadow having optimism and ETF flows. At the same time, the likelihood of BTC closing below $80,000 remains unchanged at 20%. All these percentages show the options market leaning defensive. Traders aren't betting big on upside right now. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing, BTC trades at $101,924. At one point over the past day, the coin saw a sharp drop from the intraday high $102,739 and below the psychologically critical $100,000 mark to $98,467. It has recovered somewhat since. Over the past 7 days, we have seen a decrease of 4.5% from the intraweek high of $108,771. At the same time, Ethereum is currently trading at $2,251. The price saw a daily high of $2,280, falling to $2,134, before rising slightly to the current price. Over the past week, ETH fell 13.7% from the weekly high of $2,671. Moreover, the crypto market sentiment has entered fear territory. The Fear and Greed Index has dropped from 48 on Friday and 40 on Sunday to the current 37. Now, fear is driving the prices, potentially pushing them lower. But it can also present a chance to buy the dip. Meanwhile, on June 20th, US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, until later today saw only $6.37 million in inflows. While BlackRock saw an inflow of $46.91 million, Fidelity recorded an outflow of $40.55 million. On the same day, US ETH ETFs saw outflows of $11.34 million, breaking another streak. BlackRock leads this amount with a loss of $19.71 million, while Grayscale and VanEck took in $6.6 million and $1.77 million, respectively. Tokyo-listed investment firm Metaplanet bought an additional 1,111 BTC for $118.2 million. Amid the price dip, the company now holds 11,111 BTC on its balance sheet, valued at over $1.07 billion. On the other hand, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest offloaded $146.2 million worth of Circle, CRCL, shares on Friday. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market has seen a significant drop in a day, while the stock market saw a mixed picture on their last day of trading. The S&P 500 went down by 0.22%, the Nasdaq 100 decreased by 0.43%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.083%. Investors were on edge over the Israel-Iran war and the U.S.'s potential role. They were then surprised by the U.S. attacks on Iran on Saturday, and this is bound to reflect on the stock market. Is this dip sustainable? Given the current geopolitical and economic developments, the prices may decrease further. Bitcoin may fall below $100,000 and ETH below $2,100. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Analyst declares, only two paths remain as XRP tightens to breaking point. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Cardano and Solana by the end of 2025. Press releases. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Already down. Iran attacks send BTC price to $102,760. Buy the dip? 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Press releases. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.